Hello, I'm Alex and welcome to tutorial 3 of Flyware. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on navigating through the Flyware app. Let's begin. This is what you will see when you open the Flyware app. If you have previously allowed the app to access your location, you will see your current location on the map as indicated by the little blue drone, which is the DroneXchange icon. Right at the bottom, you will see two tabs, Map Filter and Map Styles. Let's do the easy one. Tap on Map Styles, and then you can select the style you like. The default map style is dark. To close the selection bar, just tap on Map Style. Similarly, tap on Map Filter to open up the selection bar. You can scroll up and down to see the listings. Tap on the button to turn off or to turn on the respective filters. Each filter is designated with a color that corresponds to the color boundaries on the map. To close the selection bar, tap on Map Filter. Now let's move on to the vertical column of buttons on the left of the map. To zoom in, tap on plus. To zoom out, tap on minus. Alternatively, you can use two fingers on the screen to zoom in by sliding the fingers away from each other, and to zoom out by sliding the two fingers together. You can also rotate the map using two fingers, sliding clockwise and anti-clockwise. The arrow button is to reset the map to the north orientation. And to move the drone icon, all you need to do is tap once on the screen where you want the icon to land on. And anytime the icon lands within a colored boundary, a description note will pop out. And if the icon is also within a no-fly zone, an orange NFC indicator will appear on the top left corner of the map. To close the pop-up note, just tap the close button. There is also a weather indicator on the top of the map, and it shows the next 2 hours weather forecast of the location corresponding to where the icon is located. And to bring the drone icon back to your current location, just tap on the location button. The last button is the menu button that opens up the side menu bar. If you have not registered, tap on Register button. I'm not going to go through the registration here. To know more on registration, look up on tutorial 2 on getting started. If you have registered, just click on Sign In and sign in with your email and password. Once you have signed in, your side menu bar will show your profile pic. You can tap on the profile pics to update your information. Again, I'm not going to go through that here. Along the side menu bar, you can see regulations, weather, FAQ, settings, and notifications. Tap on regulations and it will provide you a quick access to the following: the CAS homepage, safety guidelines, a direct access to CAS website containing the safety guidelines on drone activities, regulatory requirements, a direct access to CAS website containing the regulatory requirements relating to drone activities, drone registration is a quick access to more information on drone registration, and a quick link to the online purchase of labor that is required for drone registration. A quick link to CAS UA portal for drone registration. Operator and activity permits is a quick access to information on permit. you can tap on read more, or tap on permit applications for quick link to CAS application for unmanned aircraft permits. Let's come back to the side menu bar. Tap on FAQ to see what are the answers to some of the frequently asked questions. We will continue to add more to this listing as we gather more questions along the way. Tap on Contact Us should you have questions and or feedback for us, and we will respond to you within the next 48 hours. Tapping on Settings will bring you to this page. To update your information, you can tap on Profile. You can also check your Flyware app version, read our privacy policy, and read our public liability insurance policy. The app QR code is to open the Flyware app QR code, which can then let your friends scan to download the Flyware app. And contact us should you have questions and or feedback for us. Now, to read important notifications that were sent to you, tap on Notifications on the side menu bar. And to read the full content of the notification, tap on Read. Tap on Hide to close the full content. Swipe your fingers to the left to bring out the Delete button, and tap on Delete if you do not wish to keep this specific notification. Swipe right to close the Delete button, and do note that this delete function is only available to sign-in users. And to go to the DroneXchange homepage, tap on the blue DroneXchange logo below. And to close the side menu bar, simply tap on the map. We have come to the end of tutorial 3, and I'm sure by now you'll find that the Flyware app is very easy to use, and it provides easy access to various important links. Thank you for watching, and we welcome any feedback. Do fly safe and fly responsibly. Thank you.